How to change name on Facebook without waiting 60 days. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu that is on the bottom right corner, then tap on Settings that is on the top right corner. Tap on Personal Details. Now tap on Your Profiles. Tap on Facebook Profile. Tap on Names. Now you can see on the top you can't change your name right now because you have changed it in last 6 days. Tap on Learn More. Now here you need to scroll down a little bit and then you want to go ahead and tap on Names Allowed on Facebook. Now you will see a drop down button and on the bottom you can see there is, if you are having trouble changing your name, please fill this form. Tap on Fill this form. So here you have to provide your ID, your name and the name that you want to change, and then you have to give government ID for this. That means you can only change certain things like your spellings and your last name if you are married to different last name person. So that is how to change name on Facebook without waiting 60 days. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.